So it's June 26, 2025, doing a quick walk around of the Porsche Turbo S for the Cars and Bids auction, pointing out any imperfections, of which there's really only one that I can find. Tiny hairline mark on the front that my nail doesn't even get caught in, so maybe just something in the clear coat. Could be just me putting the car cover on and off of it, not really sure, but I'll point it out to you. I was gonna do the driving video right now, but it just started raining outside. So if you can see right there, that's the only mark on the car that I can find. So there's the exterior. Here's a quick video of the interior. And a cold start. It's been about 3 weeks since I've turned it on. Let's see what happens. Everything works as it should. It's a new car. I'm gonna stop the video, but let the car run for a little while now that I've turned it on. Best of luck bidding.